old type media companies, if you look at all their recent purchases, they are talking about CBS and Viacom, Dish Networks, and Discovery. You take all these companies put together, you get less than $80 billion, which is what Netflix is up since the beginning of the year. If these media companies would have, say, bought Netflix, for example, back then in 2013, it was Comcast. There was speculation that Comcast should be buying or will be buying Netflix. They never did that. Meanwhile, Netflix went from 10 billion to 180 billion. But I think Disney is still in the cards. The problem with Disney nowadays is that they have to put more money to buy 21st Century. 21st Century is the jewel asset because they have the largest cable network in India. Whoever gets these assets actually will have a footprint in India, and that's a huge market, as big as China. So that's one thing that is happening. And another company that is left way in the dust there is actually Verizon. These guys have the first mover advantage into 5G. So I think we need to take a look at Verizon and Disney and decide which one we want to work with. Verizon is cheaper than Disney. Disney sells at 14 times earnings, Verizon at 10. Verizon also pays about 5% dividend. So that's all I have about markets.